At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A physical therapy documentation cheat sheet is a handy tool designed to help physical therapists document more efficiently. It serves as a quick reference guide containing common abbreviations used in physical therapy, key terminology explanations such as ADLs, activities of daily living, and ROM, range of motion. Types of documentation, including initial evaluations, progress notes, and discharge summaries. Efficiency tips and common errors to avoid to streamline workflow and enhance documentation accuracy. Overall, it's a practical resource to improve clarity, consistency, and speed in physical therapy documentation. Carepatron's free physical therapy documentation cheat sheet is designed to be used as a quick reference guide for therapists when completing their documentation. Here's how to use this template. Step 1. Download the resource. Click the Use Template button to utilize the handout using the Carepatron app. You can also get a PDF copy by clicking the Download button. Step 2. Print and keep it handy. Print out a copy of the cheat sheet and keep it in a convenient location, such as your office or treatment room. This way, you can easily refer to it whenever needed. Step 3. Customize. Feel free to make any necessary changes or additions to the template to fit your specific needs. You can also create your own version using this as a guide. Step 4. Share with colleagues. Share this cheat sheet with your colleagues or fellow therapists to help them improve their documentation skills. Step 5. Use it as a teaching tool. This cheat sheet can also be used as a teaching tool for students or new therapists learning about physical therapy documentation. You can use it to review important abbreviations, terminology, and tips for efficient documentation. Streamline your physical therapy practice with our essential physical therapy documentation cheat sheet. Enhance accuracy, efficiency, and patient care. You can learn more about topics like the physical therapy documentation cheat sheet in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.